How's it going, y'all? It's like Martin Outdoors TV, and today we're down here in the Redneck Riviera. We're gonna be going out in the Gulf to target some giants. You can't tell me this isn't giant fish catching weather. I mean, it looks really good out there today. I'm hoping we get some grouper, snapper, tuna, and maybe there's that 1% chance that we get into a sailfish on the kayak, but you never know. Looks really good. I do expect this fog to burn up pretty quick. I can already see the sky coming out, but we'll see. We are on it. Damn, the drag. Oh, he's in the... My drag's all messed up. Just gonna be a trigger fish. Oh, nuts. I don't know what these are called. I've never caught one of these before. I forgot what these are called. It's like a ruby grouper or something. I've never caught one of these. Some sort of grouper right here. Never caught this kind of fish. I'll definitely do some research and find out what it is, but I think it's like a ruby mouth or something, but not 100% sure on that. It looks like a bass. Get the release on it. They're down there. Oh yeah, that's something. Either maybe I'm just not used to big fish in this reel. There we go, another grouper right here. He's gonna go in the bag. I'm really craving a grouper sandwich for lunch today, so we're gonna cook him up and turn him into a sandwich. Stay on. There we go. Stupid triggerfish. Probably the most common. There you go. There's a triggerfish right there. Probably my least favorite fish of all. They love to steal your bait. They can be really obnoxious sometimes. Probably the most common fish out here. Oh, right on. There we go. I'm catching all sorts of fish today. There we go, got a red snapper right there. Just a little guy, but still very happy with that. Triggerfish right there. Alrighty, y'all, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm pretty satisfied with how the day went. I didn't catch any giants, but I did catch some quality fish. I do think I had a giant one on. It was pulling pretty hard, and I think a shark might have gotten to it, or a dolphin or whatever, because the line snapped. But I might come back out here later in the day, because it's just too nice out to not be out here. Not very often I get to see it this calm and glass out here. Not very often it's December and I'm wearing shorts. So it's just so nice out here. But appreciate y'all watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. I'm really liking the saltwater stuff.